Rain Pure Mountain Spring Water is experiencing automation benefits across several areas of its aluminum bottled water packaging line. However, founder and CEO Mark Myshak noticed the company's need for additional help with its end-of-line palletizing process. Rain is making use of an integrated PE20 robotic palletizing solution, seen in the screen's lower right corner, equipped with a universal robot's articulated arm to increase efficiency and experience growth. The palletizing hybrid contains a grouping feature that optimizes and reduces space between packed cases, which keeps the palletizing process neat and contributes to Rain's increase in efficiency. Visit the pwgo.to link in the description to read more about Rain's strategic aluminum bottling endeavors, the impact of the palletizing solution, and the company's upstream packaging line improvements.